2026 Bentley Bentayga stands in front of us like a statement of authority. A blend of refined British craftsmanship and modern performance engineering. As we walk around it, the first thing that catches your eye is the sculpted front fascia. The signature matrix grille looks deeper and more three-dimensional than before. From the front angle, the Bentayga feels both muscular and elegant, carrying that unmistakable Bentley presence that separates it from every other luxury SUV on the road. Shifting to the side view, the long, sweeping character line travels gracefully from the front fender all the way to the rear, giving it a stretched athletic stance despite its size. The 2026 model gets redesigned 23-inch alloy wheels with a turbine-style look, filling the arches perfectly. The chrome window surrounds, the flush door handles, and the deeply sculpted doors all work together to create a sense of motion, even when the vehicle is standing still. As you move further back, the sloping roofline and the wide rear shoulders add a sporty flavor without sacrificing the upright. Commanding SUV proportions that Bentayga fans love. At the rear angle, the oval LED taillights remain a signature touch but are now sharper and more detailed. The tailgate is cleaner, more refined, and the quad exhaust tips sit beautifully within the reshaped lower bumper. From the back, the Bentayga carries that unmistakable Bentley blend of power and sophistication, reminding you that this isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling luxury suite with supercar DNA. Stepping inside, the interior feels like a sanctuary. The cabin is filled with hand-stitched leather, polished wood veneers, and cold tooth-to-touch metal finishes. The 2026 model introduces new color combinations, more sustainable materials, and even smoother stitching patterns. The moment you sit down, the seats adjust perfectly with multi-mode massage, heating, ventilation, and even posture correction support. The steering wheel is thick and wrapped in the softest leather imaginable. Ahead of the driver is a fully digital display with crisp animations and customizable layouts. The new infotainment system is seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. With wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice-controlled navigation, and Bentley's upgraded 3D audio system that turns the entire cabin into a concert hall. In the rear seats, passengers get their own touchscreens, reclining chairs, footrests, and ambient lighting that can be personalized to any mood. Whether you're the one driving or relaxing in the back, the Bentayga is designed to make every journey feel like an executive travel experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Bentayga continues its reputation for unmatched performance in the luxury SUV segment. Depending on the configuration, Bentley offers a powerful V8, a refined plug-in hybrid option, and the flagship W12 for those who want the ultimate expression of Bentley power. Acceleration is instant, smooth, and surprisingly aggressive for such a large vehicle. The suspension system has been re-engineered to read the road ahead using cameras and sensors, automatically adjusting for comfort or sportiness. The result is a ride that feels almost unreal, soft and floating when you want comfort, firm and controlled when you push it harder. On the road, the Bentayga feels incredibly stable. The steering is precise, the braking confidence inspiring, and the noise insulation so good that even at high speeds, the cabin remains whisper quiet. Whether you're cruising on a highway, navigating a city, or even going off-road, the Bentayga adapts instantly. All-wheel drive, terrain modes, hill descent assistance, and air suspension work together to ensure it handles any environment effortlessly, reminding you that beneath its luxury lies true capability. What really makes the 2026 Bentayga stand out is its ability to combine extreme luxury with real power and practicality. It's a family SUV, a performance machine, and a luxury limousine all at once. It offers presence, elegance, customization, and craftsmanship that very few vehicles in the world can match. Every angle, every material, every button feels deliberate and thoughtful. It is built not just to transport you, but to elevate every moment of your journey. The 2026 Bentley Bentayga is not just a car you drive. It's an experience you live, one that blends heritage, technology, craftsmanship, and performance into one extraordinary machine.